Understanding, minus the extras, a simple guide to English idioms. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, minus the extras. This idiom is commonly used but can be confusing for learners. Stick with us to understand its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you master it. Minus the extras is a phrase that essentially means without additional features or components. The word minus is used in English as a preposition meaning without, and extras refers to anything that is additional or supplementary. When combined, the phrase implies that something is being presented in its most basic or simple form. This phrase often finds its roots in everyday situations. For instance, when ordering food, if you say you want a burger, minus the extras, you're asking for a basic burger without things like lettuce, tomato, or pickles. In a broader context, it can be used to describe anything that's stripped down to its essentials, free from any additional elements or frills. 1. In conversation, I just need a basic phone plan, minus the extras like internet and international calls. 2. In business, we offer a budget package for startups, which is our standard service minus the extras. 3. In daily life, I prefer my coffee minus the extras. Just black, no sugar or cream. Understanding synonyms can broaden your vocabulary. Similar phrases include just the basics, no frills, bare bones. These can often be used interchangeably with minus the extras, depending on the context. And that's it for minus the extras. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of this common English phrase. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the little nuances that make it special. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.